Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will solve the first term preparatory exam November 2021 science paper class 10th. Now first of all, when you start with the paper, see the instructions are there, you read them properly, spend 1 or 2 minutes because those are very important, like writing your seat number, all those things. This booklet is your question paper having 40 questions. Each question has 4 choices A, B, C, D. Only one of them is correct. For each question, marks 1 is awarded. 1 mark is awarded. Now, let us see. Every question has 4 choices A, B, C, D. Only one of them is correct. Select one that you consider the most appropriate answer among the 4 choices. Okay. Now we will start. Banana chips should be kept in an airtight container to prevent from what? Corrosion, reduction, dehydration or oxidation. What is the answer? The answer is oxidation. The chips get in contact with the oxygen and there is oxidation. Okay, to prevent it. Second question, for the reaction MnO2 plus HCl, this C should be little bit bigger like this. HCl, MnO2 plus HCl, 4 times HCl, MnCl2 plus H2O plus Cl2. The correct statements are MnO2 is getting reduced. Correct? So, this is a correct statement. MnCl2 is getting oxidized. MnCl2, where is MnCl2? It is not getting oxidized. Reaction is towards this side. Cl2 is getting reduced. Cl2 is getting reduced. Where? So this is not the thing. Then HCl is getting oxidized. HCl, it is getting oxidized. You can see, you can get oxygen. So these two statements are correct. Therefore, 1 and 4 is correct. That is the answer. So PbNO2, PbNO3, the whole twice is equal to Pb. This is not like this. This is, you have to write down. Here there is NO3. So here there is nothing of nitrogen side. So here we can see it is, the answer is this. NO2, so here NO2 4 times, so you will be able to see it is balanced. 2 lead, then 3 into 2 6 oxygen here. So 2 4 into 2 8 plus 2 10 plus 2 12. Here you can see 3 to the 6 into 2 12. So oxygen is balanced. Nitrogen, 2 times nitrogen. Correct? 4 times, 2 into these 2. So 2 into 2, 4. So 4 times nitrogen. Here you can see 4 times nitrogen, 2 times lead. Okay, so this is the answer. Decomposition of the vegetable matter into compost. Here there is a gap given. Into the compost is an example of what? Is an example of exothermic reaction. So vegetable compost, vegetable matter is getting into compost. When hydrogen burns in oxygen, water is formed. What is this hydrogen and oxygen burning? This is combination reaction. It has to be one of the two. Combination reaction. When water is electrolyzed, hydrogen and oxygen are produced. What happens when water is decomposed? So what is the answer? Answer is C. So combination, this is hydrogen oxygen burning combination, and this is electrolysis of water, therefore it is decomposition. So answer is C. Which part of the solar cooker is responsible for greenhouse effect? Solar cooker. So what is the answer? glass sheet. The glass sheet gets the sun rays inside. In the biogas, which gas is present in the maximum amount? That is methane. So methane is a combustible gas. Other gases are there, oxygen is there, hydrogen is also there. This is so the most likely, even in the cylinders, gas cylinders in our houses, is methane. So we'll go on to the next question. 8th question, as we can see, the power plant which converts potential energy, that is the stored energy, possessed by the stored water into electricity. What is it? It is a hydro power plant. Nuclear plant, you use nuclear energy. Thermal plant, wind energy. These are not the answers. So hydro power plant. What is the 9th one? The material used in interconnecting solar cell in the solar panel is what? Silver. Which of the following is not a part of the female reproductive system? You can see ovary is there, uterus is there, oviduct is there. So this is not a part of female reproductive system. It is a part of male reproductive system. Okay. Which among the following statements are true for unisexual flowers? Which among the following? So they possess stamens and pistil. This is a bisexual flower. They possess either stamen or pistil. This is correct. They exhibit cross pollination. Correct. So they have to exhibit, if they are having unisexual flowers, it will have either pistil or stamen. So it have to exhibit a cross pollination. So what is the answer? They exhibit a self pollination, cannot be, current pistil and stamens, they are present on the different plants. So what is the answer? Which one? So the answer is B. 2 and 3. The tiny animals having tentacles which reproduces by growing buds. Which is the one? It is not planaria. It is not planaria. It is not yeast. It is hydra. We may be knowing like this. The plant is there, the animal is there, and having tentacles like this. This is the hydra. So the answer is hydra. What about the next question? In the figure given below, the parts ABC are marked subsequently. So what is that? What is A? A is plumule, correct? B is, here you can see, this is a cotyledons. So this is cotyledons. And third one which grows into the root is radicle. So answer is this, B. Answer is B. The sexually transmitted disease caused by bacteria. This is caused by virus. So here the answer is gonorrhea. Now pH values of some solutions P, Q, R, S, T are given below. Now you have to say the solution which is strongly acidic. What is the acid pH? From 1 to 6. 7 is neutral and 8 to 14 it is basic. So the minimum number of pH in acids is 0 and 1. So here it is 1 is there. So the answer is yes, R, B. Okay. So which of the following salts does not contain the water of crystallization? You may be doing 0.1 H2O is written after every formula. So which is the one? Which is the one? So it is baking soda that we use in our houses. So tooth enamel is made up of calcium carbonate, calcium oxide, calcium phosphate, calcium chloride. What is the answer? Calcium phosphate. Turn the pages. Next question. Acid present in the orange is, orange, what acid is present? It is citric acid. These are citrus fruits. We know that, citrus fruits. In terms of acidic strength, which one of the following is the correct increasing order? Now, we have to see in which order. The pH of water is 7. pH of acetic acid is 4.75, and HCl or hydrochloric acid, it is 3.01. So see in this order, in the increasing order as they have said. So what is the order? Water, that is water here, then acetic acid and hydrochloric acid. Which is the one? Water, acetic acid and hydrochloric acid. Correct? So this is the answer C. You have to mark it like this. Okay. The substance which is not reabsorbed into the blood capillaries from the lungs to the heart. The substance which is not reabsorbed into the blood capillaries surrounding the tubule of the nephron is mainly what? Water. Glucose. Glucose is you take, okay, which supplies the energy. Glucose. Urea, water, and amino acid, which is not reabsorbed. So it is urea. This urea is a waste product which is formed in the liver that travels from the blood to the kidneys. Okay, so liver. So urea is the answer. The blood which carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. What is that? Artery carries the blood from the heart to the other parts of the body. Aorta is another one, and pulmonary vein, that is veins carry the blood from the other parts of the body to the heart. So that is the answer C. Next one, lack of oxygen in muscles often leads to cramp in the legs of athletes. This is due to conversion of pyruvates to, what is that? Pyruvates to ethanol, pyruvates to carbon dioxide, pyruvates to acetic acid, or pyruvate to lactic acid. What is the answer? The answer is lactic acid. So pyruvates gets converted to lactic acid. Select the gland which is not associated with the digestive system. Here you can see pancreas, liver, adrenal gland and salivary gland. This adrenal gland which is there is present above the kidneys and it produces adrenaline. Okay, it produces adrenaline. Now, which of the following has 3 heart chambered? Fish has 4 heart chamber, pigeon has 4 heart chambered, lion has also got 4 heart chamber. So it is only the frog that has got 3 chambered heart. 3 chambered heart. Now we can see which of the following is the correct sequence of the air passage during inhalation. From where does it start? We start from the nose, nasal passage. It should be this or this. Correct? It cannot start from larynx. It has to start from nose, nasal cavity. There are 2 nasal cavities. So next is, after nasal cavity, it is what? Pharynx. After pharynx, then larynx. Larynx to trachea, trachea to alveoli. These are the small endings, alveoli. So answer is C. Galvanization is the method of protecting iron from rusting by the coating them with the help of a what? Zinc. What is the answer? Zinc. So when it is coated with this, it doesn't get rust. Cinnabar is the ore of, we know this is mercury. It is mercury. Which of the following does not give hydrogen gas on the reaction with the metals? Which one? So metal, we will see one reaction here. HNO3 plus Ag. Ag is silver. So here we will get AgNO3 plus NO2 plus H2O. So here we see that it is nitric acid. Okay. So nitric acid doesn't release hydrogen gas. Nitric acid. The bronze metal is made up of copper and tin. Copper and zinc and nickel, and this is copper and lead. So what is the answer? The answer is copper and tin. Now which of the following statements are correct? The person with myopia can see distant object. Myopia means what? You can see nearby objects. So this is wrong statement. Person with hypermetropia can see nearby objects. Hypermetropia is it is related with the far-sightedness, far away objects, not near one. So the person with myopia can see nearby objects. So this is correct. C. So twinkling of the stars is due to reflection of the light by the clouds? No. Atmospheric refraction. There is atmospheric refraction. Refraction means internal. When the gas is when the sunlight is passed through the droplets of air, there is refraction. Dispersion of light? No. Scattering of light by the dust particles? No. In the rainy season you will not see any dust particles. Okay, so rainy season dust particles doesn't appear, so we will not consider that. Then now next one. Which of the following phenomena of light is involved in the formation of a rainbow? Rainbow, what happens? In rainbow, diffraction? No. Refraction? No. Dispersion? No. Dispersion, scattering of light. Scattering of light you will be able to see the Tyndall effect. Then reflection, how you will be able to see the reflection in the rainbow? There are tiny droplets of water, so it is refraction. Scattering, no. So answer is last one is refraction, dispersion and internal reflection. Here we had seen refraction and this is internal reflection. Okay, so answer is D. The danger signal lights are red in color because among the other colors, red light is scattered the least. It should not be scattered by smoke and least scattering. We know when the light is passing, when the light is passing through the prism, the red light is least scattered and violet is the maximum. Correct? Deflection. The danger signal, red signal, because all other colors, red light is scattered the least by smoke and fog. These are the extreme conditions, smoke and fog. When the white light enters the glass prism from air, the angle of deviation is the least. We know if there is a glass prism like this, when the light is entering like this, the maximum is, this is violet and this is red. So when you draw this thing like this, so angle of deviation, you can see if this light is there, then you will be able to see that it is least. It is the least. Which color? Red light or red color. Red light. The parallel beam of light after reflection from the mirror converge. You may be knowing like this. The light, when it is falling like this, when it is getting converged like this at one point. You may be knowing like this. So it meets at one point. So this is a concave mirror. Concave mirror. What is the power of the concave lens of the focal length? 25 centimeter. What happens? The focal length is 25 centimeters. Correct? So it is a concave mirror. Therefore it is minus 25 centimeters. This minus 25 centimeters is minus 25 upon 100. It is meters. So the power is 1 upon F. 1 upon F means what? Minus 1 upon 2 into 100. So it is 100 upon 2 minus, so it is minus 4 diopter. So the answer is minus 4 diopter. Then the next one, when the object is placed between F1 and 2F1 of the convex lens, the image formed at C beyond 2F2. So it is F2. The center of reflection, the center of the reflecting surface of the spherical mirror is called what? We know this. The center is called pole. What is it called? Pole. Then the ray diagram is correct. Which one is correct? This cannot bend like this. This cannot. This, it is coming from here and it is coming and bending like this. So this can be the answer. Here you see it is not going to, and this cannot be. This cannot be answered. This cannot be answered. So B is the answer. Which of the following mirrors is used by the dentist to examine the small cavity? What is it? Convex, concave. Convex mirror is used in the vehicles. Concave mirror. So it is concave mirror. So that's all for today's video. So we have tried to solve the questions which were there for us for the exams, so that it will help you. Subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends and classmates. See you all with the next video with the new problems. Thank you.